Alrighty, folks, let's start off by taking a look at a very active satellite radar loop, and you can see the abundance of thunderstorms from east central Texas on up into the piney woods. These are strong storms with very heavy localized rains, strong winds, and some small hail. But we're going to see more of this developing further south as the dynamics in the upper air closes in on us and all that abundant moisture overhead. We made it to 74 degrees today, the morning low of 65, and just 1/100th of an inch of rain officially at the airport, 2/100ths at Flower Bluff. Now let's take a look at what else is going on. There is some colder air moving in across the northern half of the state, 30s and 40s across that region, but it's not bitterly cold and it's barely discernible as a front itself, but it is working its way southward, and we're going to see its impact during the next 24 hours here in the form of a focus mechanism for showers and thunderstorms. It is warm. For this time of the year, very much so. Upper 60s to lower 70s, middle 60s in the immediate coastal areas. So one of the things we're dealing with overnight tonight is widespread fog. And that's because of the abundance of moisture in the atmosphere and fairly light winds. Despite the overhead of cloud cover, we're still going to be developing that fog as moisture pours in off the Gulf of Mexico. The only thing keeping it from being dense fog is the existence of thunderstorms in the area as well. Kind of an unusual combination. That's what we're going to see. Overnight, lower to middle 60s. It'll be a stormy night out there, and we're going to see the winds kind of variable, generally out of the southeast, until that aforesaid front moves in here and we see that wind shift and the frontal passage. But we're also going to be looking at thunderstorms enhancing that wind as well. So tomorrow, we're looking at high from the middle 60s to lower 70s, and we're going to see marine forecast that looks pretty stormy as well. Mostly cloudy, breezy, scattered showers, a southeast wind at 10 to 20 knots, slightly choppy bays and 4 to 6 foot seas, but a high rip current risk again. Now here's that weak front. We're going to see that move on south, and once the storms blossom over our area, that'll be late tonight and then moving on through. But that's not the last vestige of frontal activity. We're going to be looking at another round of storms moving its way through later on. So we're not done with it as this upper level disturbance moves across the area. We're going to see that instability kind of linger into early Thursday morning. The next system coming through on Friday won't have any moisture to work with, so no problems there. We do have that marginal risk for severe storms overnight tonight, and you're going to see that again tomorrow along the coastal zones. So that is the projected impact we're going to be seeing here over the next day and a half or so. Also looking at significant rainfall, 2 to 3 inches over our northern areas, 1 to 2 inches elsewhere. So that's another major rain event, some of it in our watershed. But overnight tonight, temperatures not changing much, holding in the middle to upper 60s. So we're looking at about 66 degrees. A stormy night out there. Could be some marginally severe storms. Could be some heavy rain at times. So we're going to be seeing that and those showers lingering into the morning hours on Thursday. And then looking pretty nice with another front coming in, knocking our temperatures down over the weekend. And